Answer.
Very good. Martin, are you done with this? Aman?
Doing, sir.
Okay. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we already learned about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, so we are going to see what it is about. So you can write a point to differentiate between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So saturated hydrocarbon will generally give clean flame and unsaturated hydrocarbon will give a yellow flame with lots of black smoke. So if you are going to differentiate, or if you are going to tell me whether it is a saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, you just need to do combustion. That means you are going to burn the uh, hydrocarbon separately, and if you got clean flame, that means it is saturated hydrocarbon, and if you got yellow flame with a lot of black smoke, that means that compound is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this is how we can distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Is that clear? There is another point which is very important. If the supply of oxygen is not that much good, if that means basically if there is deficiency, and if the supply of oxygen is not enough, there will be sooty flame, and that means incomplete combustion. So I can write a point or here we can write a point about this also first. This results, that means if you are going to burn an unsaturated hydrocarbon, then it will give yellow flame with lots of smoke. This results in a sooty deposit, sooty deposition on metal surface, on metal surface. or metal plate, you can see metal plate, that will be good. So this points is very important, very important. These questions generally asked in the exams. Now the next point I want to write, if supply of oxygen is not enough, or we can say is not enough, or limiting supply of oxygen, or limiting supply of oxygen, then there will be incomplete combustion. There will be incomplete. I'm gonna change the slide. Incomplete combustion of even saturated hydrocarbon, giving a sooty flame. Please do write it. Please do let me know when you are done with this.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Scroll up. Did you say scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it enough? Are you done with this?
No, sir. No.
Okay.
Yeah, answer.
Very good. Now see, oxidation. The next chemical reaction is oxidation. And you know what does oxidation means? It is basically addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. You have studied this in first chapter. Yes or no? Now, in this we need to study about alcohol oxidizes into carboxylic acid directly by using a strong oxidizing agent like alkaline, that means basic, alkaline, that means basic, potassium permanganate, potassium permanganate. It has a formula KMnO4, and heat or acidified, that means acidic, acidified KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. Acidified K2Cr2O7 and heat. First write it. And its name is potassium dichromate. So alcohol directly converted into carboxylic acid by using this either potassium permanganate, which should be acid alkaline, that means basic, or acidified K2Cr2O7. So please do write it and let me know. Then I will show you the reaction, which is very, very easy. Please do let me know when you are done with this. Everyone done with this?
No doing. Sir, what is potassium dichromate? K2C.
Cr2, chromium. This is Cr. D block elements C and R. Chromium it is. And this is your Mn. That is manganese. It is also a D block element. Okay. Is that clear? Can I change the slide? Are you done with this? Martin?
Yes, sir.
Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Are you done with this? Very good. Now see, if an alcohol, like you are going to take CH3OH, and you are going to use alkyne KMNO4, as you can see, either it will be written here, alkyne KMNO4 plus heat, or either it will be written acidified K2Cr2O7, Cr2O7 plus heat. Then this is your methanol. Meth, that is one carbon, and OH for alcohol we use all, since it is methane, so methanol. It will be directly converted into carboxylic acid. And do you know the name of carboxylic acid having carbon 1? It will be methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. And you know the formula of methanoic acid. This is your carboxylic acid, and one hydrogen will be here. I will explain this in the next class because I have another class to attend. We will see the mechanism behind it. It's very easy. It's very easy. I will explain this in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please do write it. And there is a stress. Don't leave this meeting. Only I'm going to leave this meeting. Okay. Thank you. Did you write it or not? Please do write it first.